Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a neutral smoky look, and let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my primer to my face. I'm using the Urban Decay Urban Defense Complexion Primer. Now I'm going to conceal my brows. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to use the same concealer to create a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to set that with translucent powder. So today I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette, and the first color I'm going to use is Real Gar. I'm going to apply this to my upper crease. So now I'm going to be taking the color Tempera and I'm going to be adding that to the top of my brow bone. So I'm going to be applying the color Red Ochre to the outer corner of my eye, just a little bit of it. The next color I'm going to be using is Cypress Umber, and I'm going to apply that to my lid and then blend it out into my crease. So now we're gonna break from eyeshadow and move into face. The foundation that I'll be using today is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 340, which is what I use every day. So I'm gonna start applying my foundation and I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. So now I'm going to start highlighting and contouring. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and I'm highlighting in the color caramel or caramel, however you say it, and I'm going to be contouring in the color truffle. So now I'm going to go ahead and start setting my face with my translucent powder. Now I'm going to brush this powder off and I am going to press it into my under eye. So now I'm going to set my contour with the Crown Brushes 10 color contouring palette. So for blush, I'm going to be using the color Exotic from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and it's the middle color. So now I'm going to go back to eyes and I'm going to start applying my under eye color. I'm going to be applying first Real Gar and then second Cypress Umber. So I'm going to start applying my liner. I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Matte Liner, and I'm just going to apply a thin line to my eyes. Now I'm just going to apply a black liner to my waterline. Now I'm going to start just applying my mascara. Today I'm going to be using the Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to apply that to my bottom and my top lashes. Now I'm going to be highlighting the inner corner of my eye and also my brow bone, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. So now I'm just going to start highlighting my face, and I'm going to be using on my cheeks first the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the color Peach Fizz. Now I'm going to move into my second highlighting color, and I'm going to use the Morphe Desi palette, and I'm going to use this color right here. So off camera, I applied my lashes, and I used the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in the number 811. And now I'm going to apply my lip shade, and it is number 22, and it is the NYX Liquid Suede, and it's just a brown color. So this is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram at Lauren_Alexis with 2 eyes, or at laurenalexisbeauty. See you guys next time. Bye.